Welcome to another episode of the Cryotos Maintenance Management Podcast, where we discuss the latest trends, insights, and strategies in the world of maintenance management. I'm your host, Bruce, and today we have a very special guest with us, Alex, a renowned expert in maintenance management and IoT. Welcome, Alex.
Thanks, Bruce. It's great to be here.
Today we're diving into a crucial topic that affects every workplace: essential strategies to improve workplace safety. Let's start with the basics, Alex. Why is workplace safety so important?
Workplace safety is critical because it directly impacts the well-being of employees and the overall efficiency of operations. Unsafe work environments can lead to injuries, decreased productivity, and higher operational costs. Ensuring safety not only protects employees but also boosts morale and can improve the company's reputation.
Absolutely. So what are some of the fundamental strategies companies should implement to enhance workplace safety?
There are several key strategies, Bruce. First, it's essential to establish a robust safety culture. This involves training employees on safety protocols, encouraging them to report hazards, and ensuring that safety is a top priority at all levels of the organization.
Training is a big one. Can you elaborate on effective training methods?
Sure, regular safety drills and workshops are crucial. Using interactive and hands-on training sessions helps employees understand and remember safety procedures better. Additionally, leveraging digital tools, such as e-learning platforms and mobile apps, can make training more accessible and engaging.
Speaking of digital tools, how can technology play a role in improving workplace safety?
Technology can significantly enhance safety measures. IoT devices, for instance, can monitor equipment conditions in real time and alert maintenance teams to potential issues before they become hazards. Predictive maintenance software can forecast when a machine is likely to fail, allowing for preemptive repairs. These technologies reduce the risk of accidents caused by equipment failure.
That's fascinating. Now let's talk about permit-to-work (PTW) systems. How do they fit into workplace safety?
PTW systems are an essential component of workplace safety. They ensure that high-risk tasks are carried out under controlled conditions. A PTTW system requires workers to obtain authorization before starting hazardous work, ensuring all safety measures are in place. This includes checking that workers are properly trained, equipped with the right PPE, and aware of the potential risks.
Can you give an example of how a PTW system might be used in practice?
Certainly. Imagine a scenario where maintenance work is required on a high-voltage electrical system. The PTW system would ensure that the power is safely isolated, the maintenance team is properly trained, and all safety procedures are followed before any work begins. This reduces the risk of electrical accidents significantly.
That's a great example. What are some other strategies for improving workplace safety?
Another important strategy is to conduct regular safety audits and inspections. These help identify potential hazards and ensure compliance with safety regulations. Additionally, fostering open communication about safety concerns and near misses can help prevent accidents. Employees should feel comfortable reporting unsafe conditions without fear of repercussions.
Communication is key. How can companies encourage a culture of open communication about safety?
Companies can create anonymous reporting systems and hold regular safety meetings where employees can voice their concerns. Recognizing and rewarding employees who contribute to a safer workplace can also encourage others to speak up. Leadership should lead by example, showing that they take safety seriously.
Great points, Alex. Before we wrap up, do you have any final tips for our listeners on improving workplace safety?
Absolutely. My final tip is to never become complacent. Workplace safety is an ongoing process. Continuously review and update safety protocols, stay informed about new safety technologies and best practices, and always prioritize the well-being of your employees.
Excellent advice, Alex. Thank you so much for sharing your insights with us today. I'm sure our listeners have gained valuable knowledge on how to enhance workplace safety.
My pleasure, Bruce. Thanks for having me.
And thank you to our listeners for tuning in to this episode of Cryotos Maintenance Management. Remember, safety isn't just a policy, it's a mindset. Until next time, stay safe and take care.